now we're on a crane, which is fucking moving also. Oh my fucking god. And Sana is still shooting. What a dedicated man. What a motherfucking dedicated man. Look at that. Oh my fucking god. You know what? I'm gonna make a video about this.
I'm blessed.
I'm gonna fucking make a video about
fucking
this.
Blessed to be here.
My boy Sanan and me. Tell them what your frame
Keep
is.
everything towards
I'm about
there.
to send it today.
On the left, on the left. Try keeping everything.
This
everything towards the
motherfucker.
left.
Like,
And remove the tape.
till now we've been invading buildings. We've been given permission to shoot on a crane today. Yo. Isn't this not goals?
I did not believe this would happen.
We've been
man.
given permission. We have
Yeah, we need to
fucking...
sneak in, man.
We haven't sneaked in here. We
Fun
have...
fact, I met this guy because I saw on YouTube this guy climbing a crane.
Power of social media.
I'm actually climbing a crane with this guy.
We have permission to get on a crane. Let's do this.
Those are tools on them.
Right there. We're about to go right there.
Nothing else, nothing else.
Nothing else? Some peace in life?
Just doesn't move here. Bye.
My man directing. Big man now. Big man. 2020 is going to be a mad year for him.
Is the pipe connected to anything?
Oh my
Can you move
god.
it?
Oh my damn god.
This? Okay.
It's going to be fucking
Okay,
insane,
all
bro.
of you
Look
move
at
out.
the
All of
views.
you out of the frame.
Those views.
Okay.
Mad views. Mad
Okay,
views.
just one of them. Which color? Red color. Yeah. And helmet. Okay.
मैची वो बताएंगे 1 मिनट.
Hold on.
Damn, look at that crane.
Allow it. Alright. Back there.
पीछे. Rina's like, have you guys done this? I'm like, we do this every day.
Yeah. Good frame coming. Oh shit.
Robin? Sound careful. I got your back, bro. When Sanand Warrior said, if you want somebody to risk your life for great content, he meant it, baby. Let's go.
Just one worker there.
Okay.
Taking a POV of that person walking and the whole fucking view.
When? Now?
Yeah, now, that. Work against them.
Okay, cool, do it.
Tell her, but.
You can't call.
Number? Yeah, number.
You can't call.
Huh?
Okay, it's gonna move now. No, don't.
So, I need one worker there. Okay, workers there. Everyone else move out of the frame. I want the lake and just the workers.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys move out of the frame. You guys can move there.
Diya, you guys can come that side. ये पार्ट से मेरे को इधर से वो एंड तक नहीं जाना है. बीच में ही आपने ये लगाया ना कैरियर, वो कैरियर से उधर तक बीच में जाना है. एंड तक जा सकते हैं ना? तो भिजाएंगे आप. अभी क्या
कंक्रीट चल रहा है ना, परमिशन ले लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं.
क्या चल रहा है?
कंक्रीट चल रहा है ना हमारा.
हाँ,
आप इससे भी परमिशन ले लीजिए.
मैं परमिशन लिया है ये सर से. ये उनका नाम क्या है?
धनंजय सर.
धनंजय. ऑलरेडी परमिशन लेके आया हूँ मैं. तो ये बस मुझे ये बता दीजिए ये किधर लगाना है, ये वाला.
सेफ्टी पिन में देखा था.
ठीक है. Just one person in frame. Tell him, dude. Tell him. Sanan, just tell him one person in frame.
No, I want all of them working like ants.
Oh,
Small ants.
do your thing.
Okay, bye. Yeah, move. Just move there.
Dude, we are almost next to Jakul, man. Yeah.
Ruhina? Yeah. Then only the workers with the vest to be there. I want to make it colorful. No managers, no one else.
No managers, no one else. That's how Sanal likes it. Alone with his baby. We have Diya right there, along with Shraddha. What's up, guys? Peace, peace. But this is absolutely mad.
Sir, you're in the frame, sir. Move. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We have someone here in his good, nice element. Thanks, my boy GG. This man here gets to do it every day. आप रोज यही काम करते हैं ना? Superb. Next fucking level. अभी कैसे जाए वो side? Oh, give me. Take your time. Easy. Is it tiring? Is it heavy? Is it what? Is there a workout?
Yeah, pass.
Yeah.
Now, any.
अभी एक लोग जा सकते हैं, दो.
Okay.
दो लोग जा सकते हैं ना?
Just one worker. Everyone else move. एक आदमी.
अभी ये कहाँ लगाना है वो बता दीजिए मेरे को. हाँ. ठीक है. Done. GG. Where is your 70-200, dude? With Ruhina, yeah? Sweet. Oh my dang.
Okay,
Done?
photos can we take from here?
No. This one shot of a ball. Okay. Now we're on a crane, which is fucking moving also. Oh my fucking god. And Sana is still shooting. What a dedicated man. What a motherfucking dedicated man. Look at that. Oh my fucking god. You know what? I'm gonna make a video about this.
I'm blessed.
I'm gonna fucking make a video about
fucking
this.
blessed to be here. 1 year ago, I've been just trying to hunt for jobs like this.
Oh my god. Damn. Mad, bro. GG. Okay, a perspective there will look nice.
It's shaking.
Quickly, is it shaking? Are you scared?
It's shaking. Fucking thing is shaking, man.
I think my hands.
It's okay. I got my harness on. My
That's how you learn, baby. Fear.
Yo, if I do fall, no, dude, my balls are fucked, dude.
Eh?
Yeah.
No. Is it tight? Is it tight?
Yeah, it's tight.
Damn.
But even if I do fall,
Yeah, it'll be crazy, dude. So he's saying he can take us to the very end.
Very end. Both of us can stand on it?
Yeah. Look at the views, bro. Take some view photos if you can. I'll take some GoPro pictures as well.
Bhaiya, thoda upar.
That's what she said. But she didn't say bhaiya though.
Bhaiya, like, thoda upar. Yo, how tall is she, dude?
Damn. These things you do for content.
Okay.
This mofo is harnessed to that. Sending full out. Like literally full out. If he falls without the harness, he's dead.
Face. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna move in a bit. So I'm absolutely sending it doing karate out here. Testing that quads and the hands. Obviously the ACL. Cheers. Thank you.
Yo,
Damn.
put it there.
What did you just say? Nahi
I
uthega
love this pan, man.
ठीक है, thank you sir, thank you. Cheers. जितना बेच सकते हैं पूरा एंड तक भेजा दीजिए बिंदास. चलो हाँ अरे रोज करते हैं यार. जी बॉय जी थैंक यू सर. जी
लोगों के पास हॉकी टॉकी नहीं है, ठीक है? थोड़ा सिग्नल देगा तो मेरे को बोलना, क्योंकि उस साइड देखा नहीं देता, ठीक है? आप देख रहे हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, hold that tight. He's like we don't have walkie-talkies, so he's like What happened? Story, huh? In the camera. Now we are kissing distance away. This is what I always imagined. हाँ दोनों लगाया वो साइड बेल लगाया
Yeah.
रेडी ओके गेट योर हैंड आउट दिस यू विल गेट अ झटका चलो Why are you scared, bro? Why are you scared? Just chill. Literally just chill.
Six, what are you making me do, man?
The things we do for content. The things we do for content. Like literally. Damn.
Yo!
This
Jacob, have you ever done this legally?
like we need to get this if we tag Jacob up and if he sees this, he needs to look back at India, Gurgaon when he did this shit. Like look at that. Okay, now I'm scared.
Okay, tell him to move it to the other side because I can't get good pictures.
Other side,
Yeah, other side. You need to be there because the light's from there.
bro. I just asked him to come here.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Why would I ask him?
Okay, cool.
Okay, now do one thing. Now do one thing. When
No, why
you
is he
get,
coming back?
I don't know.
I didn't take the picture yet. I didn't take the picture yet.
Wait, one second.
More. Wait. Move.
Come that side.
Okay, I need all of you out of the terrace.
Move forward. Let me go that side. GG.
Yeah? Yeah.
Oh my damn. Days, bro. Oh my god. Atif, bro, you're missing out, man. You're badly missing out on a lot of shit. We're just here hanging out. Just chilling. Okay, I have to take a few pictures. I'll get back to you in a minute.
Absolutely.
This guy is such bad at organizing things. His harness is this side and my harness is that side, and now we're fucking stuck. What the fuck are you doing, dude?
That's what Shiko wanted always.
No.
Shiko.
I mean, no. There's a train coming over there. This crane is moving right here. This guy.
Where's the tree?
Right there. Get it. Come on. Get that shot, bro. Go get that motherfucking shot, bro. Come on. You actually look like Jacob right now. Get that shot. Come on.
Perfect.
Damn, dude, dream job. Are you scared?
No. How are we fucking tangled
Look at
together?
that. I'm just getting a POV. Oh my damn god. Like this was gold.
No, our
right?
bag.
Bro, that was gold, right?
Wait. Yeah, dude, watching a train coming. Dude, I'm just overwhelmed right now.
I
can't
am
talk.
really over fucking whelmed right now. I cannot fucking talk because this shoot was mad. It was fucking mad. Like we just here. Oh, bro, if we fall,
No, we need to be a little more out.
outward we'll do. Oh, he's pulling us inside, huh?
No. Bhaiya. Come.
Yeah, bus.
Bus. Oh. Okay, perfect. And then what do we do?
Imagine you're taking this for your Instagram. You get like the best motherfucking pictures. Do you have more batteries on you?
All of them. Okay, so I want all of you out. Yeah. Get inside this. All of you get under this.
Yeah, pipe. Remove the pipe. That pipe she's talking about. There is a pipe.
It's cool. I can Photoshop.
Hey, no, get it removed, bro. Why do you want to spend time photoshopping this? Move it.
Very easy.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
We'll
ask
take a
Colin
lot
to come.
of time to go there.
Ask all of them.
Okay. Bhaiya.
Local. Just say local.
Local. Yeah. Oh, you just say that.
You.
तो उधर शाम रख करो.
Don't
Okay.
shoot करेगा.
भैया पिंक हेलमेट भैया.
Don't shoot करेगा bro.
Oh man, look at this.
Mad huh? Is this mad?
Yeah. It is.
Fire.
It is. It
Call
is.
the fire ambulance right away. Or in a bit. Because we need to eat also. You want me to send him out? My man. This is crazy. This is absolutely motherfucking crazy. This is mad, bro. This is mad. Oh, we have a plane there. We have a plane there. Plane. I went flying on that plane. I really went flying on that plane.
Okay. We just hang here for a bit. Then.
You got good pictures? Take like a bottom note. Take verticals also. Take verticals. No, this green vertical. Yeah, that's it. That's it. This view.
Okay.
Yeah. You wanna come this side?
Okay, wait, how is the harness?
On that side. On this side, you're left. So, just come here. Go that side. Don't rub against me. I know you always wanted to.
Small boy. Small boy.
Yuck.
Small circle.
If I video call my mom from here
She would.
and tell her
Phone you right now.
and tell her
She'll tell you to be an accountant. That's what.
yeah. And if I told her that listen, I wanted to be an accountant, she'd be like, actually, the job you're doing right now is better. Dude, I've realized one thing, man. Whenever I wore this plain white shirt, right, I've gotten like the shoot days have been mad. White, white is for peace. Actually, India needs peace right now.
Wait, this one's for Atif.
This was this EB.
Wait. Gang, Alhamdulillah. Gang, we are here. Hey. Okay. I think. Where I stand? You want to put it like that? Okay, then we'll take a tour around the building. I'm gonna take vertical shot.
What are you, some roller coaster or what?
I mean, like,
I want you to. You want him to send you there?
No, we gotta
Send
go
you
there, yeah.
Send you there.
yeah, more. Tell him to go more out.
Dhananjay,
Wait.
one sec. Ask him to send us out that side and rotate to the other side, na?
Here.
Wait.
Straight here.
Okay. Just
Yeah, more.
this, that side. Little
Maximum.
far away. Thoda nahi, pura. Full.
Not possible. My boy has a death wish.
Is it? Are you scared, bro? Scared of it? No. Or on.
Or.
Send it, bro. My man here is like, or thoda lela.
Oh, wow.
Mad pictures, yeah?
Okay, how many workers?
Or probably ask them to do something, na?
Okay, tell one of these workers to climb this.
Which is big.
One worker standing there itself, and then the others, other two of them working on that.
Push. Dhananjay. Sir, Dhananjay ko bulaiye na?
Okay, one guy climbing this up. The guy the red, so it's visible.
Bro, we need to get down, sir. Sir, we need one worker climbing this crane, this staircase. One worker over there only, and third worker on that sand thing on the left hand side. 3 workers.
We need to get other shots,
Yeah. Building shots and shit. But it's okay. I mean, I planned it out correct because sun's gonna go down in about half an
So
hour.
we'll go there and take the picture of the building.
Yeah, on the outside.
Okay.
So we head out there, take some pictures of the building.
Okay.
We probably had that side also of the building, so get two shots. Now since the sun is from that side, I prefer going there.
Yeah. But
That's gonna be much better.
Where there? See how it is. Ready? We're gonna pan it up.
Okay, there's a train coming between these yellow. between the yellow. Come on. Get it. There's a train in the yellow.